Amazing uptown living awaits. A meticulously kept lobby leads you to the suite entry with laminate wood floors running into the open kitchen with espresso shaker cabinets surrounding stainless steel appliances and brindle granite countertops. A bright living room with a gas fireplace sits next to an ample dining room with glass sliding doors that lead out to a covered sundeck. A second larger covered sundeck off the living room sits in front of the open den with a half-wall partition and floor-to-ceiling windows. A full-size laundry room and storage space is tucked away just off the entry. Passing the main full bathroom with a soaker tub leads to a spacious primary bedroom with dual closets adjacent the ensuite with a glass-enclosed shower. The second bedroom is flooded with natural light through windows that wrap around the corner of the room. A well-appointed fitness center, amenities room with a kitchen and garden patio, a guest suite, and car wash station add to the great reasons to call this home. A walk score of 95 has you surrounded by parks, restaurants, and grocery stores and more.